Do you want to know how you can delete all of your previous chats on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete all of your previous chats or prompts on ChatGPT. Go ahead and open ChatGPT on your Chrome or Edge browser, log into your account, and you can see your previous chats over here. To delete your prompts, you can just go ahead and click on your prompt settings and click delete. This way you can delete your prompts. If you want to save your time and want to delete all of these and no longer want to see your prompts, go ahead and click on your profile on the bottom left hand corner, click on settings, and you can see delete all chats option. Go ahead and click delete all, and it will ask you clear your chat history. Are you sure? And if you are sure to delete your chat history, go ahead and click confirm deletion. In a while, you will notice that all of your previous chat has been deleted. I hope this video about how you can delete your previous chat history or how you can delete all of your previous chat history on ChatGPT was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.